I say simply that I want to appreciate the comments of both witnesses and maybe just ask Mr. Robbins to expound a little bit more on the flexibility issue with regard to how it might affect people in the Atlantic, particularly in the Northeast, on that basis about the need to have more flexibility in terms of the length of recovery time that might be allowed and other aspects of that in their specific fishery.
Thank you. I appreciate the question, and indeed, in the case of fish in the Northeast region, I think the flexibility that's proposed in the draft relative to the rebuilding timelines and mandates would afford more flexibility than we've had in the past to consider the trade-offs between biological rebuilding schedules and the attendant social and economic impacts. So I think that's important. I think one of the most important considerations, though, in the Northeast in particular for the groundfish fishery is having an effective mixed stock exception. And there's a proposal in the draft for that. I don't know that it affords enough protection for the weak stock, frankly, but I think what's needed is something between that and what was in the old National Standard 1 guidelines. So we need to strike a balance, a better balance, I think, in the management of those weak stocks so that we can facilitate the effective yields out of the more productive stocks in a mixed stock fishery. And in New England and in the Mid-Atlantic, we have some mixed fisheries where that would be an important consideration. So I think that's among the most important things in there. I think that does need some additional draft, but I think that would really help to create flexibility that could be translated into economic and social benefits.
Well, I thank you for those comments. I yield back, Mr. Chairman.
Why don't you yield to Mr. DeFazio? He has a question.
I will yield to Mr. DeFazio.